there is only this spot. Actually, I'm not pretty sure I can. Uh, how can I fix it? There. Hopefully, I can fix it. To be honest, the best part of my home is my desk. It's more than just where I work, it's my personal space, the spot that always grounds me. Whether I'm deep in focus, jumping into meetings, or building skills for my future, this desk keeps me centered. As someone who works remotely, it's become that heart of my daily routine. Not just a piece of furniture, but a foundation for everything I do. Recently, I transformed an empty corner of my studio into something more than just a desk setup. It's become a whole new part of my life. I can't wait to share this journey with you guys. By the way, ABK here. I know it's been a minute since my last update, and I should say I appreciate your patience. To be honest, life threw some challenges my way, and I had to take some time to refocus, regroup, and start building again. Hey everyone, if you are new here, welcome. I'm a software engineer with a decade of experience and a love for a clean setup, tech enthusiastic and geared, and creating a workspace which I would show with you guys. Now that things have been started to settle, I've been diving into a complete workspace transformation, and today I'm finally ready to show you the results. So let me take you through how I built a setup that's simple, solid, and ready fits my day-to-day life. And probably I would say it's cheap. Alright, let's talk desk. After figuring out where to set up in my studio, which by the way took me some trial and error, I finally found the perfect corner. It's one of those things that sounds simple but actually took me a bit to get right. I needed a spot with the right lighting, which it helps me for unboxing gears while I'm recording, and enough space to fit all my gear. Once I nailed down the spot, it was time to choose the desk. Now, I know there are a ton of premium options out there. You've got the fancy electric desk, the premium branded ones like Secret Lab, or even some super custom setups. But honestly, those were just overkill for my needs. I don't need something that costs as much as a decent laptop. And the stability, it was a big deal for me. That's why I went with the IKEA UTESPELARE. I'm not pretty sure the pronunciation is that correct or not. If it's correct, it's fine. Otherwise, help me in the comment. Anyway, it's clean, white, solid desk that's just not budget friendly but also surprisingly sturdy. Which is stability is a big deal for me. It's got a metal frame which gives it that solid, no wobble feel. And the surface area is perfect for my dual monitor setup and all gear I plan to peel on. Plus it's got this nice metallic ventilation grid, which is great for keeping things neat and avoiding overheating, something you don't often get at this price range. With the desk in place, the next step was setting up my monitor. And let me tell you, this part was a bit more challenging than I expected. I knew I wanted a clean, minimalist look with my monitor floating above the desk. So I went for a sturdy monitor arm. If you've ever tried mounting a monitor arm, you know it's not as simple as just clamping it to a desk. I ended up reassembling the desktop 2 or 3 times, trying to find perfect position. It was all about finding that balance. You want the arm to be close enough to the wall, save desk space, but still give you enough range to adjust the monitor without hitting anything. Plus, you have to consider things like cable reach, monitor height, and how the arm swings. After a bit of trial and error, I finally found a sweet spot. But one of my favorite details has to be the Govee Neon string light. I ran it along of the edge of the desk and floated it just behind the monitor, resting on desktop, and the glow it gives off a super clean. It's added that ambient backlight effect that's perfect for late night coding or just chilling out. It's a small touch, but it's really changed the vibes of the whole workspace. Now let's talk about a piece that really keeps you comfortable, the chair. I'm using the Thunder X3 Core Modern Plus, and this thing is a beast. It's big, sturdy, and comes with a few features that makes it perfect for long hours at the desk. It's got a dedicated spring lumbar back support, which is a game changer. I'm also thinking about adding a few plants or maybe a smart light string to comfortable the vibe. Alright, that's my current desk setup. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll catch you in the next one.